Alright folks, this is Josh with Prairie Survival. Today we're going to go over the TC1200 Tactical Edition from 1Tac.com. Let's see here. Open it up. Just got it. Got your instruction manual. Little thank you note. I did already open it once just to put some batteries in here, and it takes 3 hours. It's got a nice carrying case with a belt strap. Comes in a real nice padded, fitted case. So you got your power, your rechargeable power supply here. And if you want to be able to use it as soon as you get it, you can take the battery pack. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and you can put it right in while you're waiting for the big one to charge. It has a slide adjuster here. So let's see. So with it all the way out, it's ×1. If you slide it all the way back in, it's ×2000. So it's really, really bright. You see how well lit it is, and it's the middle of the day here. And I mean, I can really focus this bad boy in. So what it does come with here is it comes with a car charger and a home charger. And this is to put the actual, this is to actually put the power pack in. So on the front of the box, go ahead and look at it. It's actually really nice. Lightweight, feels durable, got a nice grip to it. I'm wait till later tonight, and I'm going to take this bad boy out, and we're going to see how well it does. Take it out in the middle of the woods in a field, and we'll see how bright it gets. Alright, this is Prairie Survival. Your host is Josh Fales, and this is the tactical flashlight from 1Tac.com. It says 5 meters on, or 5 different uses. First of all, you got your big view, or your long distance view, and then you got your wide angle view, which you guys don't get to really see a whole big difference there. And then you have your you can dim it down from high to medium. Now you got your strobe effect, and it automatically does SOS. It's good for 2,000 feet, and as you can see, it's really bright. Well, thanks for joining, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to the channel. Thank you, and have a nice day.